From the main list, item number 1.
Yes, Dr. Mosika.
My lord, on my part, there's nothing, my lord. There's nothing, my lord.
Nothing meaning?
There's no positive response from them, my lord. My lord, the only communication I received is that they are examining the legal aspects of the matter. That is what has been communicated, my lord. And maybe they're trying to file some SLP again.
That we can't help.
My lord.
That if they have a right, they have a right. How are we doing as far as the state is concerned?
We have done some compliance. The last report we got was a 12th interim report. As per the report,
Last interim report that you got is the 12th.
that was the interim 12th interim report.
Yes. We have a 13th now. Let us see what he says.
So the-
Very good. Dr. Mosika, appearing for the union, submits that no instructions have been issued as to the availability of central police personnel for taking up the task of stopping the illegal transportation of illegally mined coal in the state. Full stop. Paragraph, in the meantime, comma, Justice B.P. Katake, retired, has filed the 13th interim report. Full stop. Copies of the report may be obtained from the officer attached to this court by any of the parties to the present proceedings, including the state and the union. Full stop. It is evident that from the report that a field visit was conducted by Justice Katake on May 10, 2023 to obtain first-hand information of coke oven plants and ferroalloy plants in the West Khasi Hills districts. Full stop. The field visit was conducted at Shalang and Kailong Mathai areas of the West Khasi Hills district. Paragraph, it was discovered in course of such field visits that a number of coke oven plants had been set up without obtaining consent to establish or consent to operate or both from the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. Full stop. Pursuant to directions in another public interest litigation, being PIL number 9 of 2022, the petitioner therein has approached Justice Katake and Justice Katake proposes to conduct a field visit in the East Jaintia Hills district in the last week of this month. Paragraph, the observations in the 13th interim report indicate innumerable dumps having huge quantity of coal around the entire Shalang and Kailon Mathai areas. Full stop. Indeed, two small coal dumps are noticed outside the boundary wall of Shalang police station. Full stop. By the side of the National Highway 127B and within 2 kilometers of Shalang police station, coal dumps are noticed which are covered by polythene sheets. Full stop. According to the report, two trucks laden with coal, one bearing registration number ML05K0917 and the other without any registration plates were found. Full stop. Full stop. The report refers to the fact that 2 months preceding the field visit conducted on May 10, 2023, there were no coal dumps other than the coal in depot number 9, which was a designated depot, and the huge quantity of coal found all over the place. Open quote, are illegally mined and transported coal, full stop. There is a further observation that no action either by the civil administration or the police administration or by any officer authorized under the Mines and Mineral (Development and Regulation Act 1957) has been taken for illegal storage and transportation of such huge quantity of coal, and that not a single case so far has been registered, nor even a complaint filed. Full stop. Paragraph. According to Justice Katake, no attempt has been made either by the police administration or the civil administration to ascertain the owners of the coal, the landowners over which the coal has been dumped, and the persons who transported such coal, semicolon. No action has been taken against the 2 coal-laden trucks, nor any case registered in Shalang police station. Full stop. The report suspects that there was a strong possibility of transportation of illegally mined coal in Kalon Mathai area to coke oven plants illegally operating around such area. Paragraph. Paragraphs 6.9, 6.10 and 6.11 of the report are set out, open quote, 6.9. Presence of huge quantity of coal near and around Shalang police station and distinctly visible from road, rules out the possibility of not having noticed or having no knowledge of the civil and the police administration about dumping presence of coal in that area. Next, 6.10. The daredevil act of the coal mafias of transportation and dumping of huge quantity of coal within 2 kilometers from the Shalang police station and non-initiation of any action in respect of the said coal reflect the apathy of the officers of the concerned departments in stopping the illegal coal mining activities, full stop. Such illegal action and inaction on the part of the concerned officers indicate either involvement or blessings of very influential person, (S), in carrying out the illegal coal mining activities, without which such illegal activities would not have continued even in broad daylight. Full stop, close quote. The next, not close quote, next 6.11. The officers of the concerned departments, including the civil and police administration, appeared to be silent spectators of the illegal coal mining activities. Full stop. Close quote. The matter pertaining to the rampant illegal mining and illegal transportation of illegally mined coal has been brought to the notice of the highest officials, including in the police and the administration. Full stop. Personal affidavits will be filed by the Chief Secretary and the Director General of Police responding to the observations, responding to the facts and the observations indicated in the 13th interim report filed by Justice Kataki. Full stop. Such affidavits be filed when the matter appears next. A week hence. Full stop. The affidavits will also indicate why contempt proceedings should not be initiated against both the Chief Secretary and the Director General of Police for their apparent inaction and failure to check the illegal coal mining operations and transportation in the state. Full stop. Paragraph, such officials may do well to refer to the original orders passed by the National Green Tribunal and the orders passed by the Supreme Court endorsing the prohibition of illegal mining. Full stop. This is most important since the state now plans to open scientific mining. Full stop. It would be completely unreasonable and arbitrary for a group of persons to be required to undertake mining in a regulated, scientific manner upon paying due license fees and royalty therefore, while others are permitted to continue illegal mining without obtaining any permission or paying any revenue to the state for such purpose. Full stop. The matter will appear on give a date. And when we've said right at the beginning, copies over there, for copies of the 13th report. So over there indicate that copies of the 13th report be immediately made available to Learned Additional Advocate General appearing for the state and Dr. Modika for the union. Full stop. Other parties interested may obtain copies of such report from the courtmaster. We have nothing to say, Mr. Khan. We have nothing to say. And because you're a friendly government, there the union plays fiddle. And look at its men that it sends to non-friendly government states. Are we living in a democracy? Shameless.
Any mention for unlisted matter? Any mention for unlisted matter? From supplementary list, item number 1.
Any improvement?
Your Lordship, actually the matter remains the same, Your Lordship. No improvement. To that effect, I filed an affidavit dated 12 May
Mr.
2000.
Bhattacharya, no improvement.
I have not received a copy of their, they have not filed me, or they have only filed the municipal, my lord. But then, my lord,
My lord, we have filed an affidavit and they have also filed an affidavit.
You have not received that.
there, son, I have not received.
Very well. Since the petitioner's affidavit has not been received by the state, let the matter appear a week hence, next Monday.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
This is a painful problem, Mr. Bhattacharya. You have to go beyond the call of duty to look into it.
My lord, respectfully, I will say, my lord, whatever they are saying, my lord, is not all correct, my lord. There must be some third authority who will go and verify the factual aspect,
Point that out.
my lord. Because,
Yes.
Item number 2.
My lord, I am required to file an affidavit, my lord. I am praying for some additional time, my lord.
Yes.
I am required to file affidavit, my lord.
Yes. Why haven't you filed it?
But there was some mistake on my part. I sent it to department, but it was a little late, my lord. I just sent it to them only on
Who's
Thursday.
on the other side?
They're from Guwahati, my lord.
Yes, madam.
Am I audible?
You're only audible. You're not visible.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. We are giving them a 4 times time to file their affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Since union seeks further time to file its affidavit, let such affidavit be filed within 2 weeks from date. A reply thereto, if any, may be filed within 7 days thereafter. Paragraph, let the matter appear 3 weeks hence.
Oblige, my lord. Item number 3.
Sorry. MPT.
My lord, as per the last order lordship, the state was required to file the status as to the
32 to
Yes,
41, that 9
Lordship,
kilometers.
what has happened in this matter?
Yes.
This is a temporary repair work, and after a year time, we are hopeful of coming to some concrete way. So within this one year, lordship, the repairing works were carried on and is completed also. But however, due to applying of heavy vehicles, some portion have been lordship damaged. Lordship, we have taken the affidavit of undertaking of all the contractors within a period of 1 year. If anything, some damages takes place, they will be instantly repairing it. I have got the status report here also.
Give it to him.
Yes. We have indicated all the damaged roads also here.
May I please, your lordship, though they have given undertaking, but they have to do the work also, my lord.
Yes, that's what he's saying. That's what
And
he's
the
saying.
other portion
And he's saying for a period of 1 year.
1 year.
This will continue because they do not have the funds for the proper metalling, probably, of that road. That can be. And they're saying it directly, they're not.
On my lord,
Last page of the photographs, lordship, exhibits. Those are the damaged portions. Otherwise, the roads are more or less fine, lordship.
and from 67 to 100, my lord. Leveling they have completed, but now I have seen no activities, no labor I have
Lordship,
found.
there is a time limit for completing, that is in the work order, lordship.
Thus I am giving the report.
67 to 100.
Yes, my lord.
Very good. Pursuant to the previous order of April 26, 2023, the state reports that from kilometer 33 to kilometer 41 of the AMPT road, rehabilitation and upgradation work by providing patch repair of damaged pavement have been allotted to 6 contractors on March 23, 2022 with instructions to complete the work within 6 months. Paragraph. The state points out that this is a patch repair work and not a new construction, and the relevant stretch receives incessant rain, experiences continuous movement of heavy trucks, and there is also a scarcity of construction material in the area. Full stop. The state assures the court that regular patch repair work is being undertaken by the contractors and monitored by the PWD roads so that the stretch remains usable. Full stop. The state proposes to undertake a new construction after a year or so. Paragraph. The petitioner also complains that the levelling work has been completed between KM 67 and KM 100 of the AMPT road, but no further work has been noticed. Full stop. The state responds that time frames have been fixed for undertaking work, and there can be no delay by the contractor in such regard. Full stop. The state says that it is monitoring the balance construction and work is progressing according to the timelines fixed. Full stop. Paragraph. The state will ensure that the patch repair work undertaken for the 9-kilometer stretch between KM 33 and KM 41 is constantly monitored to ensure that huge potholes do not develop that impair the movement of traffic. Full stop. Necessary steps should also be taken to ensure a proper reconstruction of the stretch, as expeditiously as possible. Full stop. Paragraph. Since, according to the state, the rest of the work is going on smoothly, let the matter now appear 8 weeks hence for the state to report on the progress. Thank you.
From the main list, item number 1.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, the judgment is still awaited from Calcutta.
Judgment has not been reached.
No, Your Lordship.
Since the judgment on the revocation petition, on the petition for revocation of probate has still not been passed by the Calcutta High Court. Let the matter appear a further 4 weeks hence.
Obliged.